Exploring the reasons why sex feels good is a complex and multifaceted subject that requires a professional approach. From a biological standpoint, the pleasure associated with sex is primarily linked to the release of hormones and chemicals in the brain that promote feelings of pleasure and reward. During sexual arousal, the body releases a variety of hormones, including dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins. These hormones work together to create a powerful sense of pleasure and euphoria. Dopamine, in particular, is associated with feelings of reward and motivation, and is released in response to sexual stimuli, such as touch, sight, and smell. Another important factor in the pleasure associated with sex is the physical stimulation of the genitals. The clitoris, in particular, is highly sensitive to touch and can be a major source of sexual pleasure for many women. The penis, too, is highly sensitive to touch and can be a major source of pleasure for men. In addition to the physical and hormonal factors, the emotional and psychological components of sex also play a role in the pleasure associated with the experience. Emotional intimacy, trust, and a sense of connection with a partner can all contribute to feelings of pleasure and fulfillment during sex. Overall, the experience of sexual pleasure is a complex interplay between biological, psychological, and emotional factors. By understanding the mechanisms behind the pleasure associated with sex, we can work towards promoting healthy and fulfilling sexual experiences for individuals of all genders and sexual orientations.